It's David Hill here, the AI entrepreneur. Today, I'm going to show you in less than 10 minutes how to build yourself a custom coach GPT. Now, today we're going to model our GPT after Tony Robbins. You get to model your GPT after whoever you like. Let me go right in. I'm going to share with you exactly how to do this. So let me get to the right window. All right, here, perfect. So we are showing you right now inside of my chat GPT. All right, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you the different GPTs I have right here. And so the first, we have our real estate brokerage. I have my AI sales coach, which is one of my GPTs that is focused on my two books and all of my offerings. I have my goals for 2026. I've already worked that out with Mr. Grant Cardone. Everything that I took from training with him for 2 days is in here. My goals, my targets. And then I have my ministry certification, everything that I need in here for my ministry certification for testing and for practice skills. Now, we're going to build a custom coach, Tony Robbins GPT. Now, you may say, I don't like Tony Robbins. You may say, I want Russell Brunson. Whoever you like, I want you to find their stuff. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Now, I want to also mention to your projects. Now, these are GPTs. To me, this is having my assistant up at the top. Projects are just continuations of things that I've been working on. 6-step AI-powered sales process. It goes all the way back to when I started this. So it's like having a memory. It's giving it a brain. You'll notice there's also group chats. These are things that I've shared with people that I know. This one here, shared with my friend Tim Story, right here, the one on Proverbs. And then this is shared with my good friend and AI genius coder, Bryce Meisen, and he is helping me with some coding. We're going to go back to our GPTs. And we're going to go create. So here's where we want to be. We want to be create. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to name your GPT. So we're going to call our GPT Tony Robbins Breakthrough Coach. How's that? Let's say Tony Robbins. We're not going to say style. We just say Tony Robbins Breakthrough Coach. Now, description is, so let me just put that in there quick. You are an AI coach. So I already created some of this to make things easier for you guys, so you don't have to watch me do all this. And now I'm going to put in my prompts. So the job here is to coach me. So let me copy all the prompts and I'll go through some of them with you. And now I'll share this with you too, by the way, if you're interested. So I'm going to drop these in here. And I just gave it all the instructions. It's to coach David to create breakthroughs in his life and business through clarity, certainty, and disciplined execution. So these are the rules and the style. So no fluff. I'm a direct to the point type of guy, right? So I have to train my GPT to act the way I want it to act. Otherwise, GPT is super nice. It always wants to please you and it always wants you to think it knows what it's talking about. So we have to train it to not be so much like that. Primary mission to help David with limiting beliefs, eliminate those limiting beliefs. So I'll go through these later and clean them up for you. But for now, I just wanted to show you conversation starters. So a good conversation starter is, what's the goal for today? What's the main goal for today? I like that. We could say, what's the priority today? What's the priority for today? Another one that I like is, what did you learn today? Now, you can add as many of these as you want. Now, we're going to give it its knowledge right here. So this is really cool. So here's what I did. I went and I downloaded some of Tony's books. So let me go up to here we go, test books. Sorry, perfect. Tony Robbins. So here's 4 of his books. I've got Awaken the Giant Within. I've got a training guide. I've got a book on limiting beliefs, and I've got Unlimited Power. These are all ebooks. I'm pulling them all right in. So what I told my GPT to do is, as it's coaching me, I want it to reference these books. Now, I can also add some links if I want to, like web links and different things. Not going to go into that right now, but I may go back later and create some of that. If I want to add an image, I can do that. And that's it. That's really all I need for now. I click on create. I decide who I'm going to share it with. Right now, anybody that I give the link, and I'm going to save it because I may want to give this to you if you're interested. If you are, let me know and I will share the link with you. By the way, I want to share some tools that I have. So it's working right now. It's creating that, it's building that. And so let's see all right, perfect. So this is my link. I can share that with you after. So you'll notice I go back to my GPTs up top and now we got Tony Robbins Breakthrough. So let's go see Tony. So let's start off with, hey, Tony, how are you, sir, man? I've been having a little bit of an off day. What would you say to me? All right, so let's see what Tony has to say. All right. An off day is not a problem. Letting it off, letting an off state turn into an off identity is the problem. Here's what I'd say to you straight, no fluff. See how he's going to the right, no fluff? It's beautiful. First call it what it is. You're not broken. You're not out of state. State drive story. Okay, so I don't need to go through all of this with you, but this is the kind of stuff now. Every morning, what I'm going to do now, next step, and I'll show you that in another video, is I'm going to set up an automation so that every morning I'm going to get a link sent to me. When I click on the link, it brings me right to this GPT, and then I can get my morning coaching. All right. So you see all this? It's bringing me right through coaching. All I got to do now is every day is I got to show up and I got to follow this. That's it. So I just showed you guys how to build out a custom GPT coach. I hope you found this useful. Let me stop sharing my screen right here. Now I want to give you some access to some really cool AI tools that I use as well. So right down here, I want you to see, if you go to my link right here on the bottom screen, David Hill link, davidhill.link, and you can click on the second from the last link down and get your free AI toolkit. Make sure you go and do that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give us a review. Tell us, as a matter of fact, drop in the chat. I want to say, this is the coach I'm going to use. Follow this model. Okay, simple. Create your prompt. If you want, use GPT, use Gemini. You'll notice I use Copilot, I use Gemini, I use GPT, and create your prompt and then tailor it. Don't just take what it gives you, but tailor it to fit what you want. Again, I like direct to the point, no fluff. Then go out there, find the books, the PDFs, download them into memory. If you can't find enough, you can use web links, but I found if you use web links, it goes too broad. And so I want to focus on some specific books, which I love, Awaken the Giant Within, and I love Unlimited Power, and I added a few other goal planning toolkits. My friends, enjoy, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. We'll see you in the next training. David Hill here, your AI entrepreneur.